Mae Geri front kick. So for that, there are the techniques you can do on standing and on the stance. So first we cover on the standing techniques. So everybody do Heisoku-Dachi, gedan, Kakewake-uke. Yeah, it's a beginning position. Students can keep leg joint or either partial broad and keep the hand sideways. Now in this, keep the upper body straight. You have to lift the leg straight way. Okay, and just extend the foot and down. So there are the two important points. While lifting the leg, don't bend your upper body. You have to raise your movement leg this way. And after kicking, bend your knee and then drop down. Don't miss this point. And Mae Geri, you have to hit through the ball of the foot. See, ball of the foot. Okay? So let's start. Ich, Ni, San, Chi, go! This is Mae Geri Chudan. Chudan means middle level. Same way you have to do Mae Geri Jodan, means face level. So same technique, try to lift the leg as much you can and then extend your leg. H, right foot, yeah. Knee, Sun, Yo.